Hello, this is Neil McDermott. I'm putting together a quick screencast showing how to use the Merged PDF application that we're hoping you'll install on your computers. When you launch the application, you'll be brought to this screen. This is the welcome screen that you'll receive each time, and you'll also always be given the opportunity to take a look at a tutorial video, and you click Sure, Take Me There. It brings you out to a web page that shows some very simple directions on how to use the product. But this time we're not going to use that, so we click on No Thanks. And the tool is very easy. There's only a couple of buttons involved. So you add the PDF files. So if you have a collection of different PDF documents that you would like to combine together into one single document that's easy to share, click on the Add PDF Files, and it's going to ask you to navigate to a location. So I have a couple of waiting on my desktop. So I'm going to sort them by type just so they're easy to get to. So I'm going to collect all of these guys. So I'm going to click and add all of these guys and hit the Open button, and they're all going to come right over to here. Now, if I would hit Merge Files, it would combine them all together, but this is an opportunity I have right now to maybe put them in sequence. If you have a collection of documents, but maybe one of them makes more sense to have at the beginning, let's say I wanted to move this one all the way up to the top, I just click on the up arrows, and I can move them in order, and I can also move things down with the other arrow, the up arrow, down arrow, or something I collected into this list by accident, I can trash it and just remove it from the list. Let's say I had Merge Files number 2, I don't want that in here. I'm going to delete that one out of here. So now I have all these guys listed right here. I have 5 files. And if they're in the order that I like and I'm ready to go, I just hit Merge Files. And it's going to take them all, put them together into one. And it's going to say, what would you like to call this new combined document? So I'm going to call it a combined document. And make sure the save location is someplace that you want it to be in. Right now, I'm just going to put it on my desktop because this is a very temporary activity. And I hit Save. And then that is now ready to go. It is saved to your location. It is a combined document that is ready to be uploaded or to an email or attached into a platform of your choice. So we think this is a nice, easy solution to the challenge of combining separate reports into a single document. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Myself or Jill Robinson are happy to help out. Thank you very much.